a homeowner, a housewife, a house flipper, a home renovator, or just the everyday DIYer? Are you looking for a groundbreaking new way to serve your building, contracting and renovation requirements? Do you find the process time-consuming, overwhelming, unpredictable or pricey?
Then look no further. Let us introduce you to our Prime D.I.Y subscription. Offering you a free 20 litre of paint on a monthly basis, 5% discount on all products, seasonal promotions, free delivery on all orders, and many more exclusive membership benefits.
The Prime D.I.Y package is the most affordable package out of our 4 packages. Tailor-made for you by Paint Prime, the first ever paint and hardware subscription service, a proudly South African company, powered by Hyperpaint, the paint leading experts in over 40 years.
Why choose us? Because we stock South Africa's top quality brands. We are able to mix all paint colors consistently, and we've got over 75,000 colors to choose from. There are no contracts and you can cancel at any time.
Providing you with convenient online shopping, secure online payment, free delivery, 24-hour support and accumulative deals. This means if you do not redeem your free 20 litre of paint for the month, it will be carried over to the next month.
Take advantage of our 14-day free trial and start enjoying our subscription benefits. There are no contracts, so you can cancel at any time.